Installing Shopiview is super simple. Just find the app in the Shopify App Store, click Install, and you're ready to go. After installation, you'll be redirected to the app's dashboard. Here, you can explore the available widgets and view step-by-step instructions to set up your product pages. Click the Shopiview button to learn more about our service's features and benefits. You can also visit the demo store page to see how it works. To add a widget, go back to the dashboard and click Add Widget. You'll be redirected to the theme customization page, where you can see how widgets look on your store. For now, mock data is displayed to give you an idea. To access the full functionality of Shopiview, return to the dashboard, click the Shopiview button, and sign up on our landing page. After signing up, check your email for a verification link. Follow the link to complete your registration. Once verified, return to the app's dashboard and click Install. You'll be redirected to a sign-in form. Enter your credentials to proceed. Next, you'll be taken to the shop adding modal to complete the setup, which connects your store to the service. Open your store's card and sync products from your Shopify store. This will enable you to manage product reviews seamlessly. Finally, explore the dashboard, where you'll find valuable statistics and features to help you efficiently manage your business. To ensure you have enough reward money for granting incentives, visit the Finances section and add funds to your account. Finally, explore the All Reviews section or enter the Online Wallet to track details of your transactions, including refills and payments. Now, we are watching as our customer makes a purchase in our store. First, they select a product, then enter their details, and finally click the Purchase button. Once a customer purchases your product, you'll receive a sale note. Our email system will then automatically send an invite to the customer, offering them a chance to leave a video review in exchange for a bonus reward. Now, let's see how our customer leaves a review. First, they log in, then upload their video, and finally send it for validation. You can moderate customer reviews through the dashboard. You can leave comments for improvements or approve the review. Once approved, the video feedback will be displayed on your product page in your Shopify store. That's it. With Shopiview, managing video reviews has never been easier. Start boosting your sales today.